London Thomakda may be the biggest hit these days at weddings and across the country. But when it comes to political beats, today it's the turn of Chandigarh Thomakda. The political bhangra here is fascinating. In fact, this is one of the most fascinating contests anywhere in India. A very fascinating triangular fight where Pawan Bansal, four-time Member of Parliament from Chandigarh, is up against two new challengers, Kiran Kher from the BJP and Gul Panag from the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, this is a constituency where there are three women candidates in the fray because the BSP candidate is also a woman. Now, this is of course, a very interesting and a different kind of constituency. There's more than 90% literacy here. This is India's first planned city, and over 45% of the voters are women. So it's a very interesting demographic. And here, as we broadcast from Sindhi Sweets, this is in Chandigarh's heart, and it's one of the oldest, most favoured sweet shops that everybody here has frequented. It's been here since 1976. We are actually joined in this NDTV exclusive by all three candidates. We have Kiran Kher from the BJP, Pawan Bansal, who's of course been a minister in the government and a four-time Member of Parliament from here, and Gul Panag, somebody we've known as an actor, as an activist, and now she's of course contesting her first election from the Aam Aadmi Party. So what I'm going to do is, before we begin the conversation, I'm going to ask the same question to all three candidates and give them exactly 2 minutes. At 2 minutes, I will ask them to wrap. And I will ask all of them why Chandigarh should vote for them. And I'll start down the table with Gul.
Fundamentally, the reason I'm here and the reason why I want people to vote for me is because I represent a challenge to the status quo, a status quo that has resulted in a system that is existing because of a nexus that exists between elected representatives and the administration, a system that has resulted in the formation of two Chandigarhs, one Chandigarh that we're all sitting in right now, and the other Chandigarh that comprises the southern sectors, the colonies and the villages that are fighting for even basic access to healthcare, to education, to sewerage, to drainage and basic amenities like street lights and roads. The point is, why has this situation happened? This situation has happened because both the Congress party and the BJP have kept these as trump cards, these villages and these colonies, to be used in a manner to further their own electoral gains during election time. When comes election time, sops are handed out and they fall for these sops because they're so starved with this. And the fact is that my worthy incumbent here, when asked, defends this by saying that he is a mere representative of the people. But the point that still remains is this is a constituency where the will of the people has never surfaced. 15 years, Mr. Bansal has sat out of Chandigarh as Member of Parliament from Chandigarh, and yet he shies away from taking responsibility for why Chandigarh is where it is. And the fact that we are further perpetuating this is evident from the action taken by both parties. The Congress party has once again nominated a minister, a former minister who had to resign, in fact was forced to resign from his ministerial position because of a scandal. And that's not the only one. There was also a booth scandal where he was, I quote, named the chief patron of the booth mafia by investigating officer, and the officer is still serving with no defamation case against him. And then there is the BJP, which is an equal partner in the degradation. The Municipal Corporation of Chandigarh is held jointly between the Congress with 12 seats and the BJP with Akali Dal with 11 seats. The point is, both these parties have been hand in glove in the collusion that has resulted in development not reaching the grassroots, which is the colonies and the villages. And that is a system.
Pawan Bansal, of course, there are many charges against you.
Over here that I need to contradict.
Yeah. We're going to give all of you a chance for opening statements and then we'll get into the conversation. Pawan Bansal, your 2 minutes starts now.
I don't know from where does Gul Panag infer certain things about my working. We haven't talked about many matters except meeting at one place. And she says that I shy away from taking decisions. Go to the people of Chandigarh, and the people of Chandigarh she's been going to will tell you as to what do they feel about my work. I wish, and I came into the contest again for the simple reason, being quite sure that people will vote for me for the reason that I have performed. What I have said, I have done. And I don't make false promises. I don't believe in romanticism about the changes that one talks of. I'm aware of what the realities are. I have to know in what system we have to work. And in that system, what changes you can effect. I think whatever I have done, I have brought about a change. When she talks about the villages and all that, handing out sops to them, perhaps again she is mistaken. She doesn't know what's the position of the villages here. I know a colony. You were showing the photograph as that of a village, which was never a village.
So it's still part of your constituency.
Okay, Leela, opening comments.
Still very much, and it's very underdeveloped.
Still opening comments. We'll get into the argument in a minute.
The complexities, the niceties, the many things about the topography, about the geography of the city, all are those things which you ought to grasp before thinking of representing. And when you talk
So I
of
object
when
to
you
that. I
talk of
object to
allegations,
that.
I take exception to the allegations which are being made. You don't know. The moment you talk of that booth matter, clearly shows that you are not in favor of the people of Chandigarh. What was that matter?
So
do you know?
so
you know the fact?
offered to be
do you
investigated
know the,
by
do
the
you know?
CBI.
Do
So
you
you
know?
offered
No, yes.
on the floor of the
do you know?
parliament
Yes, I
to
did.
face a CBI
Then why?
inquiry, a CBI
Why
inquiry that
not?
have not been initiated.
Why not? You
Sir,
could have filed a
you-
complaint. The BJP could have filed a complaint against me. The simple fact that I took up the case of people who were sitting on the roadside, who were being pushed away by the police every now and then. I said that those people must
Okay.
have booths.
And yet you're
on
named
that-
in the
and-
report.
and,
Let's
and
get
you
out
say
and comment.
investigating officer.
Pawan Bansal,
You call one petty officer the investigating
So the
officer.
petty officer, he
and
is the
thereafter,
investigating officer.
and thereafter,
He
and
is the
thereafter,
investigating
no,
officer.
and
Let's go to the opening
thereafter, three senior officers, one after the other. What have they said about it? You
Chalo,
won't talk
1
of
minute,
it?
let's
You
hold
won't
this.
talk of it.
Let's hold
I
this.
think
only
his
shows
opening
that
comment-
you just got into the same mold which you are wanting
Pawan
to be out
Bansal and
of.
Gul Panag, we are getting
You know,
into
this
the
was
same,
supposed
but we
to
must
be
allow
about
him.
She's got into the same mold what she's
There are going to be
what
many,
she's professing
there
to be
are
out
going-
of.
There are going to be many specific questions and counter
Now, can
questions.
I have an
Yes.
uninterrupted 5 minutes since
Not-
they've taken 10?
Okay, come on.
Both
They
of
haven't
them.
taken 10.
No,
I
you-
haven't
I-
taken
I-
10. I'm actually waiting for
I
you to
was-
know
I
exactly how
was
many minutes we're
interrupted.
doing. But
I
but
didn't
May I-
interrupt
may I-
her. She said
Firstly,
all
I
things-
want to know that
Yes.
this whole thing that Gul is being so passionate about the booth problem, Sushma Swaraj was the one who brought it up in the parliament, and I happened to see that session. So let's get that out of the way, that the BJP and the Congress are both in it hand in glove, and they've both been in the corporation equally. No, the corporation is run by the Congress and the BJP is in the opposition. The centre, you had the Congress for 10 years. Over here, Bansal Sahab has been the Sansad for 15 years, and we've had the corporation and the governors both belonging to Congress. In that scenario, I think Mr. Bansal could have done much more than he did, because I feel maybe he became too busy as a minister in Delhi, that's to put it gracefully, or he became too lazy about Chandigarh, that's to put it aggressively. And when you just say, I want to change the status quo, it doesn't give you the real answers. You can't change the status quo unless you change the Constitution of India. You have to govern within the Constitution of India. Today, all these problems can be solved if you have a vision and if you have the will to implement it from grassroots level.
Okay.
So you have to have a macro vision and a micro handling of the whole thing.
Okay.
Mr. Bansal promised many things which I would like to bring to Chandigarh, like a education city, a media city, a Medi city. He brought a bit of the IT, but there was a problem with the governor, and that is also पूरा नहीं आया जितना होना चाहिए, because people here need jobs. All our kids who are passing out need to be absorbed within Chandigarh, and Mohali and Panchkula are doing very well, but Chandigarh seems to be जिसका कोई माय बाप नहीं है.
Okay, I think you've all had your opening comments.
If I have some problem with any officer, maybe even the governor, they object to that. Then they say that they expect me to toe their line. They want me to act the way they all want me to act.
Now, I want to ask you-
I have to choose my own way of working.
Now, before we
Well,
get into-
I
before we get
know.
into
When
specifics-
I had a difficulty with a governor, the members of the BJP would often frequent him. They would often go and talk to him about me. That is a fact. This was the scenario in which I worked. But what did I do?
So that means they were working against
from
him.
165
Not with
crores
him.
as the planned budget in 2003-04, it is now 804, an increase of 486%, which
Okay.
means 5 times.
Let's get into
And
specifics
in
now, Mr.
addition to
Bansal.
that,
Yes.
in addition, when they say got lazy or didn't take care, in addition to that, 750 crores special grant to the university in 5 years alone. And to that, add to that, look at the infrastructure in the PGI.
I want
Okay,
to ask
okay,
Mr.
okay,
Bansal
okay.
one question.
PGI is
I
overburdened
want to
because
ask
the
you one
dispensaries
question.
don't work
I
this
want to
time.
ask him
One at a
question,
time, one at a
question.
time, and I
Bansal
also
sir.
have some questions,
Okay,
so we'll
so
start with
PGI
your
is
questions and my
overburdened
questions.
People from all over the country come to PGI.
No, but also
People
the
from
primary
all over
healthcare
the-
system
from all
doesn't
over the
exist,
country
Mr.
come to
Bansal. I'm
PGI.
sorry.
PGI is
Mr.
the head
Bansal,
of
she's
even
right. In the
AIMS.
colonies and the
Okay,
villages, there's no
primary
primary
healthcare
health
system
care.
has
Gulwan, she's right
PGI
about
is
that.
head of even PGI is head of even the AIMS.
Acha, एक minute. I want to ask you first.
Yes.
You are surrounded by, I was going to say 2 women, but मुझे भी गिन के 3. Are you feeling a bit overwhelmed with these two women who have come to challenge you on your
I
turf?
have always respected women, and women have been supporting me, and I'm confident that this time also the largest number of women will be voting for me.
No,
I
that's not
disagree
true.
completely. That's
Really
not going to
disagree. They are
happen.
madly in love with me and they are for me and I'm for them. I know that very well.
Chalo, everybody
इधर पूछ लो किसी से.
Everybody thinks the women will vote for them. Let's start with specifics. Pawan Bansal, you entered this election with a controversy of the railway scandal hanging over you, where your nephew was basically charged with being part of a cash for post scam. Now, although the CBI gave you a clean sheet and you have been made a witness in the
6 hours
case,
of investigation.
you
6
have been
hours.
made a witness in the case.
see,
The
now
political
if she
morality
speaks that way,
question,
I'll have to
the
keep
political
interrupting her
morality-
also.
Mr. Bansal, the political morality. Do you accept that it's hurt your image? Do you accept that this scandal, which links right to your family, has hurt your
this
image?
event traumatized me. This event traumatized me. But I knew that there was nothing wrongdoing on my part. No wrongdoing whatever on my
What
part.
about your nephew? Do you take responsibility for your family
No,
members?
I cannot. Nephew is not my son. Nephew is not my son.
But how did the nephew
yes,
have access to people in your office without
the
your consent?
investigating agencies and the courts will find it out. Now you must here really appreciate the facts. There was a raid at my nephew's place. The CBI was good in doing that. If the CBI, after 2 months investigation, not 6 hours, 6 hours, I was grilled for 6 hours.
And given a
it was
clean
no
sheet.
smart.
Do you accept it's
no,
hurt
no.
your image?
There were large number of people.
Do you accept it's hurt your image? Do you
I am
accept?
saying it has not hurt my image, but it traumatized me.
completely disagree. I disagree.
How would she know about my image?
Sir,
How would
I'm
she
going
know about
outside.
it?
I'm also
well,
going
I'm
outside
also
in the
going
city.
outside. If you're talking of that, there will be many things
Sir,
to be
let me-
talking
please
of.
allow me to make
What
a
you're
humble
saying
point.
here
No, I'm
and
sorry,
what I know
please.
your people, what you
Sir,
go and talk
please,
about.
please
You
let
talk
me
of
allow
Aap
me
is
to
going
make
through.
a
I was
decent
answering
debate.
that
Come on,
question.
let's
I was
answer
answering
it.
that
Okay, may I have a
question.
question
Here
all
you're
of you speak
posing
one
to
at a
something
time?
above everything.
Chale.
But I know what your people
Chale.
have been talking
Chale,
about.
chale. Now-
When they've been going to a particular
Manmohan
community
Singh.
and others.
Okay, now
I know that
Mr.
also.
Bansal, one at a
What has
time.
been happening
Chale.
there? I mean, don't try to be.
One at a time, one at a time.
But
One
don't-
at a time.
That is what Mr. Kejriwal's habit. He feels that only he is the person
Chalo,
who's
now
not
we must.
bored.
Now you had your say.
Right.
You had
No,
your
no,
say.
you haven't given-
You had your say. Now one at a
Manmohan
time.
Singh,
No,
One
but
at a
please,
time.
please ensure.
This is
If
what
you
we
ask a
want.
question to somebody,
Yes,
let
Mr.
him
Bansal.
answer. I will not interrupt
Okay,
them.
okay,
If
fair
I am
enough.
speaking,
Fair enough.
let her be.
Fair enough, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough, fair enough.
The point that I'm trying to make
Good,
is-
but let's agree on that.
Okay.
And everybody
No
peacefully-
interruptions.
Let's hear each other. Let's hear each other. Otherwise, it's very impossible to follow the
However
conversation.
unpalatable it may be
चलें,
to the
जरूर.
other.
आप आपने अपनी बात रखी now.
The point,
आप-
the perception point that I would like to beg to differ with you, sir, is that Mr. Manmohan Singh, despite being named in the Colgate scam, still has a perception of individual integrity and propriety. Mr. Anthony, despite being heading a ministry which is riddled with scams, still has a perception of being personally honest. In Chandigarh, that perception that Mr. Bansal is honest does not exist.
See, the people of Chandigarh will explain that, will give their verdict on this on 10th of this month. I don't know, having landed in Chandigarh 10 days back, she is speaking on behalf of the
Okay.
people of Chandigarh.
Okay,
I'm speaking on behalf of the
What
people of
perception you are
Leicester.
talking
I
about?
can't believe it.
Let's
It's
get
not
Kiran.
BJP versus Congress. It's Aam Aadmi versus Congress.
It's not at all with BJP versus the Congress.
Considering Aam Aadmi is supposed to be
But
your
Kiran,
B
you know
team.
your party. Yeah, I was just going to ask you that.
Yes.
That the BJP always says
Yes.
that Aam Aadmi Party is B team of the Congress. Look at how they're fighting. Do you at least acknowledge that your party has made a mistake in that
no,
assessment?
my dear friend, this is a kind of a dual relationship.
Acha.
When it suits them, they all become anti-Modi. Where Modi ji is concerned, they're all together. Where BJP is concerned, they are together. When they need to win a seat from each other, then they become like
You're
this.
saying there's an understanding between
Yes,
this,
there's a- because-
between Mr. Bansal and Gul
I
Panag?
want to answer this
क्या
very-
ये तो लड़ झगड़ के मारने वाले हैं एक दूसरे को?
Not Gulpanag and Bansal, but Aam Aadmi Party and Congress.
Acha.
I want to say one more thing about this Aam Aadmi Party. What surprises me, I respect and love Gul very much. We've been very close to each other. What surprises me is that an army officer's daughter can join the Aam Aadmi Party.
No, why?
Because the Aam Aadmi Party is full of people who talk the language of separatists, who want... 1 minute, can I finish?
I will.
Please.
They want a referendum in Kashmir. They want a plebiscite in Kashmir which can vote. Mr. Prashant Bhushan is on record to say that if Kashmir wants to leave us, he can go. An army officer has spent his life defending the borders of Kashmir from terrorists and other people. There are people in that party who are Maoist sympathizers. The ideology of the party is to create anarchy. You know, they think that by this, it's a very revolutionary, ugly side of democracy which they are bringing out. They're bringing out a class war. And that is only going to destroy the fabric
Okay, let her respond
of our
to this. Let her
society.
respond to this.
And I find it strange that you can be a part of that, because I didn't
Narendra Modi
think
in one of
that
his-
she would be
Narendra Modi in his
completely
rally-
leftist, Marxist,
Let him
and
respond. Let
anarchist.
respond. Narendra Modi in his rally from Jammu and Kashmir actually referred to Arvind Kejriwal as AK-49. And he said that AK-49's party had given away Kashmir to Pakistan. You remember Mr. Modi said that. As somebody who's always been, and you've been on my shows when we've spoken about the Forge, are you uncomfortable with the views of some of your fellow party
No, I'd
members?
like to
Not just
clarify.
Prashant Bhushan, but even Medha Patkar in an interview to me said that there are many issues in Kashmir. Prashant made mature remarks, we need to discuss them.
The point is, with regard to Prashant Bhushan's comments on Kashmir.
Yes.
They have been clarified by the party as his individual comments. If you wish to take the line of argument that Prashant Bhushan's comments about Kashmir are those of the party line, then are we to take the line of argument that Bangaru Lakshman, who was convicted in a corruption scandal, is the BJP party's line that they sell the defense?
But isn't the question
safety?
about
No,
ideology?
the
Gul,
point
for
is,
God's sake.
individual
Well,
action.
don't- this is completely
ma'am. Individual
rubbish
action,
what you're saying.
Individual action
You are
cannot
talking
represent the
about a
party line.
main leader of your party whose ideology is this.
Hello.
He says you can't
And
change
that he was-
ideology.
he was
you
a party
can change.
president.
But he was.
And he was convicted
He was
for
removed.
corruption.
He was removed, now.
Yes, after conviction.
You've had
The
your
point is
minister
Prashant
in Delhi
Bhushan.
who's been harassing women
And
doing
the matter-
racist
and the matter
remarks.
will go to court and they found
But
guilty
in the
and
meantime,
expelled.
Kejriwal is going blue in the face, lying down on the streets of Delhi, defending him. He was Somnath Bharti's
issue was
actions
the
are
security and
completely
safety of women.
indefensible.
Let it come to
Completely
Kashmir and then we have to
indefensible.
move
The
on.
party
How
has
can you-
clarified its position
how can you
on
be
Kashmir,
the party that has Somnath
it is-
Bharti?
that it is fundamentally an integral part of India, and Mr. Prashant
That's
Bhushan's
why the
comments
Let me ask a
website
question,
shows
ma'am.
that
Kiran, one
Bring
minute.
as a part of
Kiran, let me get a
China,
question in. My
Pakistan.
question is this. Do you acknowledge that there is an absence of ideological cohesion? I've
I
asked Mr.
disagree.
Kejriwal this as well, that you all came together as a movement.
Yes.
And the movement has suddenly become a party. So abhi aap log ki ideology form nahi hui hai.
I think it is a work in progress. There's no doubt about it. It's a movement that has graduated from being a political protest into a political party. But the party stand in Kashmir is absolutely clear. Kashmir is an integral part of India, and Mr. Prashant Bhushan's comments are his personal comments, and that has been clarified
Let's
several
move on.
times.
It's
Let's
like
move on.
saying Mr. Rajnath Singh's comments are his personal comments.
Let's move
It's
on.
like
And
saying
Mr.
Arun Jaitley.
I'm sorry.
And he's
I'm
a
sorry,
member of the
individual
core
action.
member.
Let's
It's
move on.
Prashant
Individual
Bhushan,
action.
Manish
Let's-
Sisodia,
And Bangaru Lakshman
Arvind
was taking money
Kejriwal,
in
who
the
are the
defense ministry,
mainstay
and that's the
of this
BJP's
party.
policy.
No,
And that's the BJP's
that's
policy.
not true,
Okay,
girl.
So you cannot,
You
no.
can go blue in the
No.
face,
Chalo.
but
No.
you can't
Chalo,
You
protest
cannot
it.
link
One
individual
knows
action with
Prashant
party policy.
Bhushan's ideology
Can
and
we-
leanings.
can I interject?
Over
Can
And
I
we
go
know
back to
Mr.
this?
Bangaru Lakshman and Mr.
Mr.
Yadurappa.
Bangaru
Mr.
Lakshman is
Bansal,
dead and
Mr.
gone.
Bansal,
He
point
was there
doesn't
for
matter.
1 year and he was removed.
It's individual
when there were
action,
cases.
ma'am. It's
There are
individual action.
cases of corruption
Individual action.
even
Come on,
in the
let's
Aam
not
Aadmi
shout.
Party.
Individual
So
action.
people are
Now,
leaving your
Kiran,
party every day.
let's move on.
Every
We
day
have
they're
many
leaving.
issues to discuss.
Because
Let's
there
not
is
talk
no
about the
inner
infighting in the
democracy.
BJP then.
Okay.
But we are not leaving. We are very much
We have
there.
many
Your
issues.
people are joining
Unhappily.
us.
Unhappily.
Your people are joining us.
Chale. Mr. Bansal, now a heated argument for once that you were not at the center of. It was actually between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. My question to you is this. Do you acknowledge that you are suffering, your party that is, from a deep sense of anti-incumbency and a deep sense of anger? And every time it comes to a counter narrative, all that the Congress can do is come up with a secularism slogan. Secularism cannot be a compensation for misgovernance and corruption.
I confine myself to Chandigarh. I have been here for the last 10 months without going to Delhi, I mean, excepting for a few days when the session was
Yes.
there. So I can talk of only Chandigarh. In Chandigarh, there is nothing like anti-incumbency. In fact, it's because of the work of the incumbent that he'll come back again.
So you believe you will win again?
I am very clear about
You
it.
believe you will win again?
Certainly.
Now, I want to ask you before I take it back to Kiran and Gol. Both of them are on Twitter. They've even had some exchanges with each other on Twitter. You are not on social media.
He's just come.
You've just joined. You've just joined. You've just
happens to be
joined.
so I'm from the old school of thought.
But are you in?
I'm on Facebook a little bit.
But do you get time to use social media at all?
I don't have much time actually. That is the thing. I work amongst the people the whole time, and I feel there is no substitute for personal contact with the people, and that is on a regular basis.
Do you believe this is your
24
toughest election ever?
24
Do you
into
believe
7.
this is
Oh,
going
no,
to be your
this is-
toughest
this
election
You will
ever?
see the results will show you this will be one of the easiest ones. Accepting, of course, that I have to face a little hostile media as such at times.
Okay, the media got it. Yeah.
Where the media is
I
being
don't
most
think-
hostile to me, not to you or to you.
Followed by me.
And
I think the
I'm-
media
and
is
I'm
being
never
kind
saying-
of
How can
hostile
the
to me.
media? How can the media be hostile to all?
I'll tell you why. I want to say one thing.
I've never said कि मीडिया वालों को सभी को बंद कर देंगे वो मैंने कभी नहीं कहा.
That of course-
That's again his individual
वो तो
opinion.
आनंद केजरीवाल ने कहा था.
Okay.
हमने
I have
नहीं कहा.
suffered immensely. I've never said that.
Now, interesting that
They
the
have-
media
they have
accused
old
been
roots.
hostile to all three parties.
No, he has old roots in Chandigarh, old relationships.
Ji.
I've had problems within and without the minute I've come in. I've had people spreading ugly underhand rumors about me as a woman. Personal things.
What kind of rumors?
Rubbish, she doesn't get up in the morning because she must be drinking. Every Gul knows I don't
aware of
touch
that.
alcohol. She's
No,
been
my-
an old friend.
my point is even
My
if you
point
did,
is
so
even
what?
if somebody did,
Yeah. So
it's
what?
a very
How-
sexist
it's
remark to
very
make.
sexist,
And
I
very
agree.
male,
Yeah.
but that's the way politics
But
in
who is
Chandigarh
saying
is.
this to
Also,
you?
I would like to
Even
add
she
to
doesn't
the
know
My
about
question
about
was
it.
me on my person.
No,
I'd like to add.
add-
You're clarifying this
No
is not an
question,
issue for
no-
you. No,
no
okay.
question.
I'd like to add to the
Have your
rumors.
workers heard it or
yes,
not?
Yes, it has
Yes.
come to me, and this is
Just
definitely.
see this.
I've also, and this is again I've said it on another show earlier, and there's also been rumors being spread about don't vote for Gul and Jannat because they're both Muslims. Now that's something that's worth thinking about.
Really?
How strange.
So I want to ask both of you two questions. How do both of you respond to this debate around celebrities being parachuted into constituencies? You're asked this all the time. Do you accept that there's some legitimate skepticism कि इतने movie stars और glamour quotient तो बढ़ता है, लेकिन लोगों को लगता है ये सिर्फ सेलिब्रिटी टैग?
आप मुझे कब से जानती हैं?
बहुत साल, पता नहीं कितने साल हो गए कि गिने
बार
नहीं।
मैं आपके शो पर आई हूँ, दूसरे शोज पर जाती हूँ. I've been a spokesperson for the party.
Yeah.
I am not a political lightweight in that sense. I know what I'm talking about. I might not have been in the fray of active politicking in Delhi, but I am somebody who's educated, who has a mind, who has opinions, and who expresses them. That is why I chose to join a political party that I believed in, whose values, whose programs I
But
believed
why
in.
are so many film stars suddenly in politics?
I don't know about film stars. I know Smriti Irani who's there, and she's a very good person. She works very hard. I know myself, and I work very hard, and I will work very hard for the people of Chandigarh. Whatever I do with focus. I've been part of Ladli, which works against female feticide and infanticide. I am the face of the Ladli Yojana in all over Madhya Pradesh. I've worked with NGOs, bringing them all under one umbrella so that they can access government schemes. So it's not that I don't know. Just because you look good doesn't mean you don't have brains, you know. You can, if I had not gone into films, I might have been in the IAS or the IFS.
Absolutely.
So why should you
I think
presume that I'm
I
just
would
an
have to
actor?
agree with my worthy opponent here on this count, that you cannot judge a bunch of film stars joining politics with one brush. For the simple reason, you've known me. I've been extremely active on social issues. I've been running and working with an NGO in Chandigarh for the last 4 years, which incidentally also works in the region of female feticide, which surprisingly has Punjab and Chandigarh has highest incidence of female feticide. We have worked with Chandigarh administration as well.
Not Chandigarh.
Sir, Bombay also.
Even Chandigarh, sir.
Bombay.
Not as bad as Punjab.
Female feticide.
I've been running-
The disparity of the sex ratio here is for the simple reason
Sex
that many
ratio
many people come alone.
My point
Only
here
the
is
migrants, only the male members come
there
and
are
get
going to be
away.
people from all walks of life who enter politics, whether they are doctors, lawyers, journalists, and some of them may not show the extent of commitment that is demanded. You have many full-time politicians who have no commitment.
That's true.
So to judge people who have come from the film business, both of whom have had active interest in politics and activism, and paint them with the same brush as those people who've been absentee member of parliaments is, I think, highly unfair.
Pawan Bansal, let me read you. Do you see them? Do you accept that the two women sitting on your either side are women who call Chandigarh their home? आप मानते हैं इस बात को, or are you calling them
दोनों ने
outsiders?
नहीं कहा वो. They have not claimed Chandigarh to be their home.
मैंने कहा है.
But what they
मेरा
have
तो
said,
घर है.
I agree with what both of them have said. As far as the commitment of any person, irrespective of what he comes from, where he comes from, would be there. I have a little different thing to say on this.
Yes.
I think a star, a film personality, a celebrity, is a priest of truth and also the master of his art. And to reach that place, one has to work hard and very hard. One has to master not only the text, but also the subtext. And it may be after years of their labor there that they may have reached the place which makes them the celebrities. But that does not entitle them straight away to jump into another field and to be treated as such there with the same position. That will be something like a person like me now wanting to be an actor. He cannot be.
So you are an
He
actor.
cannot be.
You are an excellent actor.
He cannot be.
I want to say one thing.
But therefore,
Actors are very actor.
Therefore, if they have to come to politics, they have
Allow
to
me to
begin
come to
afresh.
I will.
Of course, getting some advantage of their status, but they have to begin afresh. Before thinking of contesting an election, they have to work amongst the people of that place for many, many years. This is not a presidential form of government that
Allow
we have
me take
here.
it first.
So please let me
Sir,
complete.
I'm just talking to her.
No, it's not a presidential form of government that we have in our country. It's the
So are you
it's the
saying
government-
no film stars should enter politics?
No, I've never said that.
Congress
I
में
don't
तो
know.
ticket
नहीं,
देता है,
मैंने तो कहा नहीं,
first.
मैंने तो
इनकी
आप मेरे पहले
election
शब्द
फिल्मी
भूल
होती
गए
है।
मेरे पहले शब्द भूल गए ये ना लड़ती तो मैं बुलाता इसको मेरे लिए आ जाओ
अच्छा बात है. Wow. Oh my God. That's a news point.
And by the way, Gul was supposed to campaign for me if I ever fought.
Gul was supposed to campaign for you. Gul was supposed to campaign.
Kiran Kher, the individual.
No, you always knew it was BJP. I was in the BJP at that time.
Even when I clarified.
I understand and
In fact,
appreciate her
Kiran Kher, the
compulsion
individual.
when she uses those
No, but
invectives,
I'd like to
when
get
she
back
uses those invectives
about
against
And
me.
she's been tweeting about Narendra Modi.
She's been tweeting about
But
Narendra Modi. We'll
Modi.
ask her
We'll come
about
to
the
that.
tweet.
You
We'll
know
come
what I
to
was
that.
only saying
Ah,
few
जल्दी
words.
से last sentence and both of them respond. Yeah.
इधर आने पर भी उनको बहुत पहले काम लोगों को जानने का, शहर को जानने का,
मैं एक
शहर
बात
के
कहना
अलग
चाहूंगी।
अलग हिस्सों को
I'll
जानने
take
का।
मैं इस शहर को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानती हूँ।
मोरी वाला
मैं यहाँ
मोरी
पर-
वाला गेट कहाँ है, समाधि गेट कहाँ है,
क्यों मैंने
आपका-
गेट ना की करना गेट दे लोकी सुखी है कि नहीं दैट्स मोर इम्पोर्टेंट
विकास नगर
गेट
कहाँ
कितने
है?
होना की करना
विकास
सी
नगर कहाँ है?
गेट दे लोकां दी जिंदगियां की करो
और
गेट दे लोग मार रहे हैं लोकी मार
One second.
ओके
समस्याएं क्या है?
ओके लॉट्स ऑफ
Mr.
माजरा
Bansal,
माजरा हलवा माजरा
चले, let
लोग
them
people
Mr.
are
Bansal
dying.
made an entry
People are one at a time.
into
One at a
electoral
जानने में मुझे भी
politics.
टाइम लगा था, मैं
Bansal
एक दिन
साहब,
नहीं
Bansal
जाना
साहब,
था।
सर हम जानते हैं
अब आप
हम
बोलिए।
सब जगह सभाएं कर चुके
Okay,
हैं
okay, okay.
85 सभाएं की मैंने इधर और
Madam,
बाद
one
में
minute.
आपको
ले गए अरुण सूद और आपने कर ली।
Point
लेकिन
here is,
आपको भी
Marka,
जब कोई कहीं जाता है इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको दिखता नहीं कि वहाँ के लोगों के दुख क्या है
हाँ,
आपको
before
कोई
that-
पॉइंट्स बताएगा
No, no, no,
तभी
मैं
आप
देखता हूँ,
मैं अपने आप को
कोई
connect
भगवान
करता
से
हूँ
सीख
उनके
कर नहीं
साथ।
आता
The important
जब
thing
ये
here
15 साल
आपको-
पहले आए थे
ये लोग जानते
ये भी
हैं।
सीखे होंगे
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
है
I
ना?
agree।
तो मैं
one
भी
minute.
सीख
मैं
के
भी करूँगा,
लगा-
सीख के ही
मैं
आना
भी
मुझे।
सीख
Mr.
के-
Bansal,
और सीख के
What
no,
we are
no,
saying
no.
is everyone starts
No,
somewhere.
no.
No.
Should no, he started.
know. We
Mr.
already know
Bansal,
all the
Mr.
problems
Bansal,
of this
okay,
city.
okay, Mr. Bansal made a backdoor entry into electoral politics by being nominated to the Rajya Sabha from Punjab at the age of 35.
I tell you what a backdoor entry she's talking about. Before that,
You worked in the Youth Congress
I had been,
in the darkest
I had
phase
been,
of Indian democracy.
I had been.
In
no,
emergency.
no,
Emergency.
just a moment. Have patience to hear me. I was before that the secretary of the University Student Council in Chandigarh, Punjab
And where did you come
University.
from, sir?
Punjab
Sangrur,
University.
Tappa.
Punjab University.
Where did you come from, sir?
We built a house in 1961
I am-
here.
No,
I went
sir.
to college
You-
here. I
you-
went to university
you also
here.
came to
I played
Chandigarh
for-
as an outsider.
I am more Chandigarh than he is.
Yes,
No, sir.
and yes,
No.
but the moment when I contested the first election,
Outsider.
people did mention me to be an outsider.
When do you
But-
become an insider?
यार अब मुझे बोलने दोगे कि ऐसी
Bansal
बात
साहब,
कहोगे? मैं भी
you
ऐसा I
also-
can also shout.
Bansal
I've been
साहब,
shouting all
Bansal
this
साहब,
time.
you
चलो,
were
बोलो,
one
I mean,
of
please
the-
accept
अच्छा,
the
मैं भी
respect
चिल्ला
that I
रही हूँ,
have.
heard.
नहीं,
मैं बोल
मेरे
रही
को
हूँ,
मैं-
आपको भी outsider
नहीं,
बोला,
नहीं,
आपको भी बोला
मेरी
ना
वही तो
outsider।
बात सुन लीजिए।
हाँ, हाँ।
मुझे आउटसाइडर कहा और मेरे आउटसाइडर का जवाब मेरे को नहीं मिला क्योंकि मैं राज्यसभा 6 साल पंजाब से लगा चुका था।
अच्छा।
इससे पहले कि मैं चंडीगढ़ यूथ कांग्रेस का प्रेसिडेंट रह लिया था, मैं यूनिवर्सिटी स्टूडेंट काउंसिल का सेक्रेटरी रह लिया था, मैं चंडीगढ़ यूथ कांग्रेस का भी प्रेसिडेंट रह लिया था, चंडीगढ़ पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी यूथ सर्विस क्लब का चेयरमैन रह लिया था। लेकिन जब मेरे को आउटसाइडर कहा गया कि ये तो पंजाब से इलेक्शन लड़ा था, आई वॉज actually confused about it. But it was one of the good journalists who came to my rescue and showed my address in the who's who of Rajya Sabha, mentioning Chandigarh as my permanent
Okay,
place.
okay, Kiran.
House number 6,
Kiran,
permanent
how much
address.
of an insider
No,
is
you
Sonia
haven't got
Gandhi?
that. Permanent address, house number 64, sector 28 in Chandigarh. Does she mention Chandigarh as her address?
Yes.
Does she mention
Yes, I
Chandigarh?
do. 65 sector
You are
8
both
Chandigarh.
voters outside.
No, but now
You are
I'm a
both
voter
registered
here.
voters outside.
Sir, now I'm challenging
Sir,
you.
your
Chandigarh.
party president,
Forget my voting
your
outside.
party vice
I
president is
want to
standing from Amethi.
No, I want to say
I'm
one
not
thing.
No,
disputing
so
that.
let's
You
not
raised
go
this
into
question. I am not
Sir,
disputing that.
you were talking
See,
about electoral
I
politics.
did not
Monica, that's
mention.
my age.
I
Well,
did
that's
not
my
say.
age.
I did not say that since they are not voters here, they cannot come here. What I had simply said was that before wanting to come to here, let them be here for a few years. Get to
Sir,
know the city.
35 years,
Get to know the
42
city.
years,
Get to know the
sir,
42
city.
years.
How many
Get
more
to know
years?
the
You've been there for
villages.
decades.
Get to know the
Let them
colonies.
respond.
Let
Get
them
to know.
respond.
Get to know
Chalo,
the
Bansal
people.
sahab, you've had your
And
say now.
then-
Now Kiran and Gul must be allowed to
I
respond
want to
one
say
at a time.
something. Yes.
Bansal
When
sahab
the-
says get to know the city. थोड़े साल बताओ, थोड़े लोगों से मिलो.
जब ये आए नहीं थे तब से हम यहाँ साल बिता रहे हैं
जब से मैं
हमें
आया हूँ,
सब
आप चले गए रहे।
ऐसे
आपको
आपको
बोलने
लगता
दीजिए, मतलब अब आपने
है I
बोला
don't call up the press to tell them I'm landing up here. I come to meet my father, my sister, my friends and relatives. I come here, I work with the BJP in the last so many years. I go and do sabhas. People come and meet me. आप ये सब चीजें मैं publicize थोड़ी करूंगी. Not only that, it's very easy to say outsider. क्या है हमारे अगेंस्ट तो कोई टेंट नहीं है इस मामले का, तो हमारे को सिर्फ क्या है आउटसाइडर हैं, ऐसे करती हैं, दिन में नहीं उठती, रात में सोती नहीं. All this is happening, which is so sad because Chandigarh is a city where people get an education. It's where people are decent. You don't do this to your daughters. अपनी बेटियों को आप बदनाम नहीं करते चंडीगढ़ में, आप उन्हें वेलकम करें.
Gul, quick
तो ये
response
बात
from you and
बिल्कुल
then I'll
गलत
take
है.
last
I think I
comments
just
from
say,
all of
I mean, to the point of experience and expertise, I'd like to say, here is a gentleman who made an entry into electoral politics through the Rajya Sabha at the age of 35. I'm here at 35 fighting an election for the Lok Sabha. Point made.
Okay, now let's get on to what Kiran brought up, that you have in the past praised Narendra Modi. that you believe that between the Congress and the BJP, he was the better option.
Not at all. I'd like to draw
This
your
was-
attention to the tweet before
Yes.
the much quoted tweet which the BJP social media wing has brought up.
No,
the
no,
tweet
no, no.
before
I'm
that.
talking about private conversations.
Well,
I'm not talking. I was not on
will-
Twitter at that
I
time.
will- I was
Go
talking
to
about-
the acha.
I'm refraining. No, I'm sorry.
By God.
I'm sorry. I have no idea what you're talking about. What I'm talking about here is there was
I'm not
a comparison between the fire and the frying pan. Since you've already been burnt in the frying pan, might as well jump into the fire. If that is considered endorsement of Narendra Modi about the tweet she's
Did
talking.
you say that?
Yes.
It's like jumping. When
Yeah.
was this tweet?
I have a picture.
No, I don't
One
want the
tweet
picture.
before.
How
the
long
memo
ago?
for 2000,
That is the
2012.
advantage of tweeting, actually.
June.
This is the
वो चिप
advantage.
चिप चिप वो करते रहते हैं ना, वो जो उन्होंने कहा था
2012
लालू प्रसाद जी
We
ने.
had
2012,
conversations,
yeah.
everything. Now, that's a fact that the Congress-led UPA government has let the country down miserably.
And
there have
there's
been
no two ways
so
about
many
that.
scams, so many scams. The minute the alternate is a man like Modi, who has delivered on governance, who has delivered on policies, who actually works from micro to macro and macro to micro levels, implementing those policies, and the country's mood is with Modi.
Are you asking
I disagree.
Chandigarh to vote for Modi or for Kiran
For
Kher?
both of us. Because let me tell you, Modi ji knows Chandigarh very well. Modi ji has lived in Chandigarh for 6 years. He was Prabhari for Himachal, Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh. He said in his speech, which he made in Chandigarh, he said, मैं कुछ भी बन जाऊं दिल्ली में, लेकिन अगर उसमें चंडीगढ़ की सीट शामिल नहीं हुई, तो मेरी जीत अधूरी रह जाएगी.
इस बात
So
के लिए कह
please,
दिया, इस बात के लिए कह
ये
दिया,
भी कह दिया कि
लेकिन
पवन
अगर
के सामने आंधी आ गई है.
अगर वो चंडीगढ़ को जानते हैं, वो इतना जरूर जानते हैं कि बीजेपी चंडीगढ़ की कैसी है और क्या है.
आयु भाई ने तो मुझे भेजा है.
इसीलिए इनको भेजा
उन्हीं के
उन्होंने,
आदेश पे आई है.
इसीलिए
What
उनको
happens if
भेजा,
Mr. Modi is not
इसीलिए
the
उनको
Prime
भेजा.
Minister?
लेकिन मैं कुछ
What is
और
the plan B?
मैं कुछ और कहना चाहता हूँ.
प्लान भी कुछ
वो
नहीं,
जिंदगी
पुत्र,
भर
यही है.
बस
नहीं होना.
यही है,
जिंदगी
नहीं होना.
जिंदगी भर
No,
बस
there has to be a
मेरा
plan
मैं
B.
invite करूंगी.
One at a time. You're saying what is the plan B?
Then-
You're saying कोई plan B नहीं पुत्र.
It's only
I know,
Modi,
और
Modi,
plan
Modi.
भी वो अपना plan
What
भी
if-
बता सकते हैं,
no,
they are the plan B.
No, the point here is your idea of Chandigarh is linked to Mr. Modi's.
No.
Absolutely.
My idea of
You are here to
Chandigarh-
represent Mr. Modi.
No,
you said
but that doesn't mean that my
And
idea
what if he's not there at the center? Who do you represent then?
I represent the BJP.
No, the people
Of
of
course,
Chandigarh.
and the people of
Chandigarh.
1 minute. I represent the BJP and the people of Chandigarh if I am in Lok Sabha. Right now, I represent the BJP here talking to the people of Chandigarh. So let's not play with words. I represent the fact that there are millions of people there who don't have a roof over their head, who are caught in
Are
antiquated
you going
bylaws.
to, if you win,
Congress
will you live in Chandigarh or will you live in Mumbai?
I already live every month 10 days over here. How long does
Full
Mr.
time in
Bansal
Chandigarh.
live here?
No two ways about it. No two ways. Chandigarh needs a full time
ਛੱਡ ਦਿਓ
MP.
15 ਦਿਨ ਤੁਸੀਂ 2 ਦਿਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ
मैं आए हफ्ते 3 दिन ਇੱਥੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਸਨ. Every week 3 days here, even when I was a minister.
ਕਦੇ ਤਾਂ ਮਿਨਿਸਟਰੀ ਚ
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਕੰਮ
ਮੈਨੂੰ
ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ
ਪਿੱਛੇ
ਹੁੰਦਾ
follow
ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਕਰਦੇ
3 ਦਿਨ
ਹੋ.
ਇੱਥੇ ਬੈਠੇ
ਤੁਸੀਂ
ਰਹੇ
ਮੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਕਰੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ.
Bansal
I
Sahib,
will
are you
mark
worried?
it.
Are you worried that big national leaders
I will be
like-
here, very much here.
Okay, are you worried that big national leaders like Narendra Modi have come here? Arvind Kejriwal had a road show. Is the
I
Congress,
made out
is the
to
Congress
that.
central
Yeah,
leadership
not
going to campaign for you
Not
at all?
Not at all. वो तभी तो this shows the desperation and recklessness of the senior leaders of BJP and
Why
Kejriwal.
desperation?
Well, they feel
He's
that
alone
maybe
enough. He's a master of
No, I don't
how
say
to win
that.
an
Yes,
election.
I don't say
you
that.
don't need to come.
I don't say
His
that. But
roots
what
are very deep and devious.
well, that is
He
true.
can do many
The
things
roots
over
are
here.
deep. The roots are
Last
deep.
5 days
That's
they
उनको बोलने तो दे,
The number of people I
उनको
know
बोलने तो दे।
personally is
हाँ।
much more than they will get votes.
Okay, good.
And
good.
but जो इन्होंने एक स्कैम्स वगैरह की बात की थी, मैं उस पे वही कही
मेरे पर कोई scam नहीं है।
नहीं, आपने जो हमारे एक कहा था
मैंने
बस
नहीं आपको कहा, मैंने तो अपनी बात करी थी.
अच्छा, अगर मैंने कहा था तो वो मोदी जी के संदर्भ में कहा था, तो बस मैं वही कहूंगा कि जिंदगी भर बस गालिब यही गलती करता रहा.
मैं भी शेयर कहूंगी.
धूल चेहरे पे लगी थी, आईना साफ करता रहा.
मैं भी एक बात
बोले
कहूंगी.
and then goal.
वो शख्स जो तुझसे पहले यहाँ पर तख्त नशी था, वो शख्स जो तुझसे पहले यहाँ पर तख्त नशी था, उसे भी अपने खुदा होने का इतना ही यकीन था.
Okay, I'm sorry. I don't have any shero shairi. I have no shero shairi to answer.
वो शख्स कांग्रेस के ही था.
चले, but
पर ये तो उससे खुदा होने का यकीन था. सारे कांग्रेस वाले अपने आप को खुदा समझते
खुदा
हैं.
नहीं समझे, वो तो
उनके
आप किसी और को
राजा, आपके
आप
पैर
किसी
नहीं
और को
लगते
समझ
जमीन.
के कहने लगे.
पैर
आप
लगते
समझे
नहीं
शायद मोदी.
जमीन पर मेरे.
आप समझे
ये हाल
शायद
है.
मोदी जी होंगे क्योंकि 6 साल आप कह रहे हो यहाँ
सर,
रहे
मोदी जी
हैं.
के
चले,
साथ
गुल को
क्या
बोलने दो.
comparison
वो
किसी
तो एक
कांग्रेस
दिन
वाले
रहते
की.
थे. मैंने 20
आपके
बार उनको
कांग्रेस
साथ-
वाले खुद चुपके से जाके
मैं
मोदी जी को
20
वोट डालने के मैंने
Okay, go now goes turn.
On
what?
what?
My question.
On shairi. I have no shairi to give.
I want to ask you about your exchange.
Poem
with-
कह दे तू.
एक minute. You have known each other from the film industry. Is it strange to be political opponents? आप लोगों की काफी exchanges जो Twitter पे
Firstly,
हुई
there's
हैं.
been, let me clarify the Twitter point. There's been no
but-
exchange.
No, it was just fun and games. ऐसा
And
कुछ
I
नहीं.
was talking
You
about
spoke about your retirement
No,
age for
but please read the
60-year-olds.
tweet before.
baby, I'm rocking and rearing to
and
go.
No, there's no doubt about
There's
that.
no retirement
I was
age for
talking
me.
about the fact that my marathon stamina is coming in handy to me to live these 20 hours days.
You did
and
not
I-
mean Kiran and you didn't mean
Not
Bansal
at
Saab.
all, I'm speaking on myself.
When you said retirement age for 60.
I can't do it at 60. I can't do it at 60.
Let me tell
I can
you.
do it now.
Question is not
I'll
a
tell you-
passive.
I'll tell you
Question
one
is not
thing.
of passive living. Question is working amongst the
I
people.
can do what I can do today. I
Working
cannot do
among the
it
people.
Bansal
now.
साहब आपके जयराम रमेश कहते हैं over 70 कांग्रेस में सबको रिटायर कर दो. This
Man,
is your
so
party leader.
you-
Is Jairam
You
Ramesh-
wait
तो
for
5
me.
years है.
You wait for
5
me
years
to
है
reach
इनके.
70. You will see what I do.
And I want to say one thing.
Not from Chandigarh,
कि
sir.
you know it isn't necessary कि quantity बहुत है आप भागे रहे सब जगह पे. It's quality of work that counts. You don't have to be all over the place. You need to be organized and you need to focus on what you need to focus on, and you get the job done. And the people decide ultimately, not
Absolutely.
on speed, not on anything else, but on what their heart tells
How
them.
has it been for both of you to be women in this campaign? Do you believe you're scrutinized differently?
Yes.
How?
Because I believe, you know, they are constantly saying, इसने ये कपड़े क्यों पहने, इसने चप्पल पहन लो तो चप्पल क्यों पहनी, सैंडल पहन लो तो सैंडल क्यों पहनी, सलवार कमीज पहनी तो साड़ी क्यों पहनी. People criticize me for wearing a sari at Modi ji's rally. For
You-
God's sake,
which
was I in a
people?
jumpsuit? I mean, sari is a traditional
I would
Indian
have to agree
dress.
with her here.
This is rubbish.
50% of the questioning in the first 2 days was, why am I wearing a kurta? And why am I not in the shirt? I said, I'm going to be out 20 hours, running around, covering ground. I can't be in
मैं
a
कार
shirt
में
that's
चप्पल
drenched.
रखती हूँ.
As drenched
So
with
how,
sweat.
do you feel that both of you have been scrutinized differently?
I couldn't
Yes,
care.
and also
I
because
couldn't
we are
care.
glamorous women,
Huh?
they can't handle it. They think that somebody in politics has
Needs
to
to be
probably look like
khadi
death,
clad. Yeah.
which is not true. I mean, why do you want to dumb down somebody or make somebody worse? Why not lift up? You see the women in the villages when they come. उन्होंने लिपस्टिक लगाई हुई है, चमकता हुआ सिंदूर लगाया हुआ है, अपने सुंदर सुंदर कपड़े पहने. They're simple women, पर उनको भी शौक है कपड़े पहनने का. एक इंडियन औरत का जो श्रृंगार रस है, वो आप उससे नहीं छीन सकते. उसका सिंदूर, उसकी बिंदिया, उसकी चूड़ियां, उसके परांदे आप कैसे छीन सकते हैं उससे? और आप कौन होते हैं छीनने वाले?
Okay. If you lose, do you remain in politics?
Absolutely.
In the long run?
Absolutely.
And you remain with the Aam Aadmi Party?
Absolutely.
And last,
if it maintains its present form,
how confident are you in this campaign?
we are winning this election. There's no two
Why
ways
do you
about
feel
it.
that?
We are.
Last comments from all of you, and I'll start again in the same order. Gul, let's start with you. Last thoughts. If you lose this election and don't win, if you win, you've said you will stay here. Yes? If you win, you will stay
Absolutely. Base is going to be
here. If you
Chandigarh.
lose, do you remain in politics?
Absolutely.
In the long run?
Absolutely.
And you remain with the Aam Aadmi Party?
Absolutely.
And last,
if it maintains its present form,
how confident are you in this campaign?
we are winning this election. There's no two
Why
ways
do you
about
feel
it.
that?
We are.
Why do you feel that?
The response has been overwhelming on the streets. You only have to see the outpouring of people that are there and how fed up. And please don't take offense to this, and how fed up they are of Mr. Bansal's job so far and the perception of him being corrupt.
Bansal Saab,
Well,
if you lose,
I will
will
not
you-
lose.
If
I
you
will.
lose,
I will not
if
lose.
you lose,
I
if
will
you
not
lose,
lose.
3 MPs
See,
for the
I,
Chandigarh,
no,
yes.
I will not lose. I'm very certain about it. You just have to wait up to 16th of May to see whether what I said was right or wrong. And I will not rush to make all sort of those remarks against my opponents. I don't know whether she really knows the facts or not. But earlier I felt if somebody was talking against me, it was perhaps out of ignorance. But if somebody is talking against me on those matters now, it is not out of ignorance, it is out of malice and personal motivation, personal interest. But nevertheless, I know we are in politics, and she is no longer an activist only. She is also come into the same mold of the same politics that those prevail in India. So I take it in my stride. But
you said that you would have asked her to campaign for you had she not joined Aam
that's
Aadmi
a
Party.
different thing.
Considering you're my father's classmate.
Well,
You're a father's classmate. You have known each
well,
other from the film industry.
And our
You
families
know,
before
but
that.
she
You're all
also claimed
interconnected.
they
We know
don't-
our families know each
therefore
other. We are both
I
judges.
think till yesterday,
The perception,
till
sir, the
yesterday,
perception.
I thought the level of discussion, the level of political discourse in this constituency was little better than what it would have been otherwise. But when I hear her speaking now,
Sir.
I find some streak of desperation in
Not
that.
at
Okay, I have
all,
to
sir,
let-
not at
No,
all.
this is what I don't like. I mean, she can't have that right to speak whenever I have
Quickly,
to.
sir, I have to wrap
What
up
I
rapidly.
only have to say, this does not give her the right to interrupt me whenever she says
Last
anything.
comment, sir. Last comment. You are confident of winning?
I'm extremely confident of winning. I will win. And when I'm no longer in politics, to answer the second part, when I'm no longer in politics, Chandigarh is still my home. I will be here.
Okay.
I will be going to the High Court.
Okay, get it. Last thoughts.
My last thoughts are
You
that
had to deal with some anxiety from your own party workers here.
That's
How
true.
difficult has that been?
It's been very difficult, but at the same time, I've taken it in my stride. I look on it as a journey and a mission. I have been sent here to win this seat. I will put my best foot forward.
If you lose, what will happen? If you lose, will you stay in Chandigarh?
I want to say that the people are with me because my Jan Sabhas are huge in number, the people that turn up. And the women, they all want to hug me and hold me close. I think it's because of India's Got Talent. Because I relate to them as a woman.
How many days will you be able to give to Chandigarh if you win?
I'll be here.
And if you lose?
If I lose also, I keep coming the way I come. And I'll keep working for the BJP here like I've been doing in the past.
Okay, we leave it there. Kiran Kher, Pawan Bansal, Gul Panag. We're broadcasting from Sindhi Sweets in the heart of Chandigarh. It is the Chandigarh Pumakta, a political bhangra. And the final chapter of this very interesting script will only play out, of course, on the 16th of May when the results are here. It's been lovely. There's something about Punjabis, I'll tell you. As a Punjabi, we love a good argument, but once the argument is over, I was watching all three of them. They were absolutely civil and friendly before the cameras started rolling. And I know that they will be even after the cameras have finished recording, because Punjabis don't hold a grudge. They just like a good argument after good food, that is.